Sheraton 4 Points, and we are on our way to voco. So I believe voco is Auckland's tallest hotel, most floors up, and it's also fairly new. I think they only opened about a year ago, or less than that. So we are at voco. This is apparently Auckland's highest hotel. So yeah, what you think? You look slightly confused.
You have no idea.
We got to our hotel, and here's the entrance. When we get in, they have a little luggage rack, and then they have a few robes over here. And right here, we have the ironing board, iron, and a flashlight. Hi. And the bathroom, let's see what it's like. Bathroom, we have a nice big mirror, nice big sink, fancy body wash and hand lotion. We have towels, cups, and one of these cool mirrors. We have a hairdryer down there. Right here, ooh, it's the shower. It's pretty big. There's shampoo, body wash, and conditioner right there. And right here we have the toilet. Here's little Teddy, some of our stuff. And we have a chair, fancy bed. We have, oh, fancy a treat. What treat? I don't know. We have a little mini fridge. Right there we have kettle corn, and I'm not sure if that's free. We have a kettle, coffee, tea.
That's stuff we probably pay for.
Oh, a nice big safe. An empty drawer. And probably another empty drawer. Yep. And nice big bed. What? Ooh, look at that view. We get to see the harbor. Did we get to see the sky tower? I don't think so.
Look at that. Is that pretty cool? Is that cool? Look at that. Yeah. That's a long way down, bud. Ooh. Is that the so that's the harbor?
Where's the bridge?
Is that some sort of ferry?
Oh, that's
right
the
there?
bridge.
We got the bridge over there. Sky Tower, I think, is way down that way somewhere still.
It's probably right behind us
Or, like,
this
just
way.
around the, yeah, it's around that way somewhere, but...
It's not far from here, though.
No.
What's so funny? What's so funny? Can you laugh? Yo. Teddy bear. What's so funny? Dio. Dio. What's so funny? What's so funny?
You only get one sound out. What's the point of room service if you can't eat in bed and have the whole nice view? Don't judge me.
Got room service. 'Cause why not?